If you've created a Telegram bot and it's time to delete it, whether you're cleaning up unused projects, starting fresh, or just tidying your digital space, this step-by-step guide will walk you effortlessly through the right way to do it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to safely remove a Telegram bot using BotFather, Telegram's official bot manager, ensuring the process is both secure and complete. Let's get started. First up, we need to interact with BotFather, which is basically the command center for all things bot-related in Telegram. Open your Telegram app and tap into the search bar at the top. Type BotFather, that's all one word with the @ symbol right at the beginning. You'll see it pop up in the results, and it should have a blue check mark showing that it's the real, verified account. Be sure to select the genuine BotFather, not a copycat or fan project, because only the official profile can actually manage bots. Now, if you've chatted with BotFather before, you'll see your old conversation. Otherwise, tap to start a new chat. Clicking Start kicks things off, and BotFather will greet you with a list of commands. This can look technical, but don't worry, Telegram's interface is designed to be quite user-friendly, even if you're new to creating or managing bots. Here's the key part. In your chat window, type out the command /deletebot and send it. Commands always start with a slash. This tells BotFather that you want to remove one of your bots. When you send this, BotFather responds by listing all the bots that you currently own. If you've built several bots over time, maybe for different projects, tests, or fun experiments, now's when you choose which one to delete. Scroll through the list and tap on the name of the bot that you want to permanently remove. If you have a long list, Telegram might ask you to type the bot's exact username, like at my test bot. Having to enter the username ensures you don't delete the wrong bot by mistake. Think of it as a safety net for important digital work. Go ahead and enter the right name if prompted. When you select your bot, BotFather doesn't just zap it away immediately. You'll receive a clear, serious warning letting you know this deletion is permanent, and all data associated with the bot will be forever erased. This step is important to prevent any accidental removal of bots, especially if those bots had active users or custom settings you might want to save. Take a moment here to confirm you're removing the correct bot. Check the name, maybe glance through recent messages or data just to be safe. If you're sure, you're ready for the next part. To finalize your decision, you'll need to type "Yes, I am sure," or sometimes BotFather presents a button to confirm. This is Telegram's last checkpoint, a deliberate speed bump so you don't accidentally delete something you'll regret. Don't worry if you need an extra moment to double-check, there's no rush. Once you confirm, BotFather will immediately and permanently delete the bot. That bot will stop running scripts responding to users, and its username will become available for future use. If you're thinking about reusing the same username, it's wise to wait a short while, as Telegram sometimes takes a minute to refresh availability. Just treat it like waiting for a parking spot to officially open up. You'll know when it's ready. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a Telegram bot using BotFather. If this helped you, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps others find clear guides like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about Telegram bots or run into any issues. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more easy tech tutorials, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and have a great day.